God has so much confidence in us as his sons that Satan is too small. That is why when he came to Jesus, he said, if thou be a son of God. That is the question. That is what is challenging our position of sonship of God. Now, when you mention subtlety, especially connected to Satan, the things you should have in mind is tricks, lies, and deception. Those are the ingredients of subtlety of Satan. And when you mention wisdom, what are you supposed to think of? Hidden truth, mysteries, revelations, wisdom. What weapon did Satan use to overcome Eve? Tricks, which came out of his subtlety. And out of it, he deceived the woman, Eve, and man came under him. And God knew that he captured us lawfully. He didn't beat them to come to him. He tricked them to come to him. God gave them instruction. Satan came and changed the instruction. They obeyed Satan's instruction. They pushed away God's instruction. They became Satan's servants. And God is the only wise God. And he wants to bring us back to our position. How will he go about it? With his wisdom. So God, who was going to come to save us, must come with a strategy. And the strategy is he will come undercover, so that he will not be known as God coming to do something. Son of God is his humble appearance for the work he wants to do. He came to do the work of humility, to floor the devil. That's why he took upon him the nature of a son of God. Many Christians truly don't know Jesus. In the presence of the enemy, God does things that are not clear. Undercover operation made them to crucify Christ. And who is that Christ? It's called him the Lord of glory. Now, God does not give his glory to anyone. So who could be called the Lord of glory? The Almighty God. Look, Satan is not afraid of Son of God. Satan is afraid of God.